here, and I've been meaning to make a video regarding justice in the military. And that is this idea of how we frame issues. So framing is kind of a PR term. You guys might not be familiar with it, but it's the way that you characterize the issue and properly diagnose the root issue or the root cause. And one of the things that I have been seeing in military justice circles that I've been meaning to talk about and get your guys' feedback on is this idea that it's either about weaponizing the system or it's about the fact that victims are not receiving justice, or they're putting in complaints and they go nowhere and nothing happens and they don't receive the justice that they deserve. So what is the root cause? What is the root cause analysis? It's not one or the other. It's not one at the expense of the other. What it is just two words. Two simple words. Due process. Now, what is due process? Due process ensures that each side of a conflict has the resources and has the tools to present their case fairly. It means that each side sees the same amount of evidence. It means that if there's a hearing or if there's a trial, there's access to transcripts afterwards. It means that there's an appeals process. If somebody doesn't agree with those findings, it is the hallmark of a democracy, and it's exactly what we do in the civilian sector. So it blows my mind that in the administrative process, in the family advocacy program, or within the UCMJ and court-martial procedures, we do not have the same due process protections that our friends in the civilian world receive, and that has to stop. So let's stop looking at this from one side or the other side, okay? And I'm looking at you, Department of War. I'm looking at some of these other advocacy groups out there, and let's start looking at it as a due process problem. Okay, guys? Thank you so much. Bye. Love to know what you think as well.